Hello guys, welcome to Tech Corner, where we simplify tech for you. In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly on how to recover your deleted photos from either your iPhone or from your iPad. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover your deleted photo. Maybe you snapped a lot of pictures, or you're having low storage and you deleted some photos, and at the end of the day you deleted the ones you don't want to, and you're finding it difficult to recover these pictures because you don't know how to do it. In just 2 minutes or one or more, I'll be showing you exactly on how to recover your deleted photos from your iPad or from your iPhone. And if you find this video helpful by the end of the day, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing tech content like this. Go to your photos. This is your photos. You've deleted some pictures and you want to recover it within 30 days. So just scroll down under your photos and you see media type, see video, selfie. Scroll down to you go to utility. As you can see, you're seeing utility. Once you get to utility, you see hidden, recently deleted, duplicate. As if you want to even check for a duplicate, you see duplicate, recently deleted. Tap on the recently deleted and unlock with your Face ID. If you're using the one that uses Face ID, if you're using the one that doesn't use Face ID, you unlock with your fingerprint or with your password. Now it's showing you 29 days remaining, so you can recover these pictures that has been deleted within the period of 30 days. After 30 days, the photos will be automatically deleted from your recently deleted. So within the space of 30 days, as you can see, mine is showing 29 days left. Now if you want to recover this picture, just tap on it. If you look below here, you see delete, recover. If you click on this delete, it will delete forever from your iPhone. If you click on this recover, it will ask you to recover photo. Now it has recovered. Let's assume you want to recover all this picture. Just select, come to this place, you see delete all, recover all. Click on recover all, recover. It will still ask you to recover 10 items. Click. Now let's go to our gallery. You find out that, see, as you can see, these pictures has been recovered. See one of the picture, see them, they have been recovered. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing tech content like this. See you in our next video.